Hello, I would like to introduce you to my project. Its name is Along the Garden Path, and I worked with the Charter House. So, why Along the Garden Path? The first thing that really caught my eye was some floral motifs on the walls and a lot of vases with flowers on the territory of the Charter House. Also, this building is famous by its gardens, and I really wanted to stop on the developing project connected with nature. So, my very first idea was to make furniture which can hold any kind of plants. I thought about benches, tables, but after that I decided to stop on the vase to demonstrate flowers of the Charter House to the visitors. I think um, the idea of putting some flowers inside the building is great because not all the people from the Charter House can go outside because there are some health restrictions, and looking at the nature is improving your mental health. It was proved, and so it's a nice way to observe some nature not without going outside. I decided to use some Frenzel lenses to put attention on the flowers more. Here you can see I tried some different sizes of these lenses, and I decided to stop on the largest one on the right picture because, as you can see, it's magnifying very well, and from even from a distance a person can see this flower. At the very beginning I wanted to divide this piece of lime tree into 5 parts and to make some kind of islands. Instead of making one huge piece of vase, but then I understood that I can use the form of the Charterhouse square as a inspiration for my project. So I decided to put these glass test tubes in the form of the trails of this garden. So here you can see some process pictures. I used a chisel and a hand plane for the first time, but after a couple of days of working, I understood how these instruments working. So this is the middle result pictures. Here I'm trying to find the way of drilling holes and how to arrange different size of um, glass blobs. So here I started sanding process, and I drilled some holes and made legs for this vase. So yeah, this is another middle result. I started worrying because I had pictures just with one type of flower with tulips, and I needed to think more about which kind of flowers can be in this vase. So I had the huge problem with color. I tried some wood dyes, but it just didn't light really well, because at that moment I didn't send it properly. Sorry, and after this I decided to just cover my wooden part with the varnish, and as I said before, this is the lime tree, and because of this, the wood was a little bit greenish, but the varnish covered this greenish light. So this is the lens stand. I made some different sizes of sticks. So on exhibition, depending on the size of the flowers, I would understand which size is better to use. I had some problems with the Charterhouse flowers because during one of my presentations, I talked to managers of the Charterhouse, and they said that I can use the flowers of this place and just talk to gardener and cut what I need. But after communicating with gardener, he said that these flowers are not for cutting and I need to buy it by myself. He gave me the list of flowers which are growing on the territory of the Charterhouse. And after that, I went to the new Covent Garden Market. This is the huge place where you can buy flowers cheaper, and there are a lot of types of flowers. So I decided to stop on allium, peony, and irises. Yeah. So that's how vase with flowers looked on the exhibition. I'm happy with the results. One more thing to say about the flowers. I had a little problem with irises. They started blooming at the last 2 days of the exhibition, but all other days, peonies and alliums were just these flowers were blooming. So there are also some pictures of the exhibition. I visited this exhibition every day because I needed to pour water to the flowers, and so I had a lot of observations. And so, for example, and it was strange for me. People viewed the work whilst they standing. I thought that it would be great to make this experience while people sitting, to concentrate more on the flowers, but because of this, this is the exhibition format, but not the cafe as I thought before. People just came closely and looked at the flowers through the lenses. Also, one more thing happened because of the standing experience of people. Some people hold the stand with lens in their hands to look closely to the flowers. So if I knew it, I'd better do some flexible stand so people just can to move it a bit. And I think that my main auditory of my product was old ladies, because they were most engaged in viewing the flowers, and I heard a lot of good reviews from them specifically. So this is my poster idea. Risk assessment form. I think that the main danger thing in this project is that glass can break easily, and the lenses, because lenses can focus the light, it may be risk of fire, but during these days of the exhibition, we had a lot of sunny days, and everything was fine. The light wasn't concentrating in the one place. So the total price, which includes my working time and material price, is 205.5, and yeah, that's all. Thank you for listening.